friends, welcome back to our channel Sticky on Architects. If you have any doubts about our previous video, please don't hesitate to comment in a comment box. We'll come back for sure. Today, let us learn something new, something interesting, something energetic today, the basic needs of architecture and another class. First, let me explain you how to hold your pencil. Many people doesn't know how to hold the pencil. Everybody does know it is the basic need that you can hold like this or like this, something like that. But this time you need to know the basic holding of pencil. You need to hold your pencil only like this by using your thumb finger and index finger. And please try to draw some horizontal lines. Let us learn how to draw some straight lines today. See, take a paper like this and an empty paper and a pencil, but don't use eraser. Try to don't use eraser. Let me show you how to draw horizontal lines today. See how am I drawing? Take a paper like this and start drawing your horizontal lines. Please don't try to rotate your paper or book like this or something like this. Don't use it because when you enter your architecture, your board will be like this only. So you need to start sketching from right now itself. See, I have practiced some horizontal lines. These are the straight lines that you need to get. I've got it very easy because I've done architecture and I've practiced it many times. So please practice in an empty paper or a newspaper as well. You can use newspapers at home also. After doing horizontal lines, you need to learn vertical straight lines also. Let me draw some basic vertical straight lines. Don't turn your paper like this or like this, something like that, stable. Keep it like this only and start drawing some vertical lines. See how am I doing it? Vertical lines. I've practiced some vertical lines. See how straight are they? You need to practice it very well. For the after doing this horizontal and vertical lines, you can shape paper like this also. You can use a paper like this also by using only vertical and horizontal lines. After drawing all this vertical and horizontal lines, you need to know the basic cross lines. That means a person for perspective view, you can't use only vertical and horizontal lines. You need to know the basic cross lines also. See, let me show you how the cross lines will be and start drawing your sketching like this, the vertical paper, and start drawing your cross lines. See, I've practiced some cross lines. See how straight are they? You need to do the basic cross lines like this. And after this cross line, you need to do mirror image also for the cross lines. See how are they? The mirror image for this cross line is that. And you can use a paper in a two-way direction also. I'll show you now. Wait a minute. I'll show you the horizontal cross lines also. See, this is how the paper should be, and this is how you need to get the straight line with a cross by using a paper cross. Let us learn something circular, something by using circles or eclipse or something like that. Uh, Many people doesn't know how to do circles, but you need to know how to use your circle by using curls or something like that. You can do many kinds of designs like this, or you can use in any other ways as well. But please try to practice horizontal and vertical lines by using cross lines also, and also try to practice circles in this way or in any other way you can practice. The basic 2D dimension, 2D drawings also you need to do. The 2D drawings that we do are the basic drawings are, one is rectangle, circle, square and triangle. See, this is how they would be. And you need to practice, you need to do it by using only your freehand sketching. This is only for the freehand sketching only. You should not use any scales or any eraser in it. Try to do it straight enough. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment in our comment box. And in our further videos, we are going to tell about the perspective views for NATA class and the basic sketching for AEEE and AutoCAD and architecture softwares as well. And we are doing some interior designs also. If anybody wants an interior design, you can contact us. Please, thank you for watching this video.